welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're doing another what I eat in a day. You guys requested this video a lot on my Instagram. You guys wanted to see another full day of eating, so here it is, and I'm gonna be showing you a beginner friendly version because today I'm not really doing anything crazy. I'm just doing really simple, straight to the point meals. That's for, I'm looking at the wrong viewfinder, as you can see, so I'm sorry, I should be looking over here, but okay, here we are. Okay, as I was saying, I'm gonna be showing you kind of like what I make in the morning before work, what I like to eat, because it's easy, it's simple, it's quick, and I don't have time in the morning because I gotta get up at 6 a.m. every morning, and I don't really have time to cook or make anything crazy, and I keep on looking at the wrong thing, but ignore that. I'm doing also a simple lunch, something literally anybody could make if you're not really that kitchen savvy. So I'm gonna show you kind of like a quick lunch and a quick dinner. Yes, you're still gonna have to use the stove, but it's really simple. Trust me, it's not gonna be hard. And that's pretty much a quick, that's gonna be like my first beginner friendly, and then we're gonna work our way up to more difficult and intense meals as the weeks progress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so let's get into the first meal of the day.
We gon' tear their ass up, simple as that.